Hello friends, once again I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Jigar Shah, Associate Professor in Chemistry, and I have been teaching for last 27 years. Being a professor, my job is not only teaching the students but also guiding them in each and every step of their life. I have noticed that most of the students are a little bit confused about their career. So I have decided to share my experience about successful career in science after BSc Chemistry and MSc Chemistry. Let us discuss the scope for higher studies after BSc. After BSc, you can opt for MSc Chemistry. One may pursue MSc in major subdiscipline like analytical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic pharmaceutical chemistry, physical chemistry, material chemistry, industrial chemistry, polymer chemistry, nuclear chemistry, forensic chemistry, environmental science, Master of Computer Application, that is MCA, Master of Business Administration, that is MBA, and PhD in chemistry. There are various competitive exams after BSc and MSc chemistry. After BSc chemistry, you can appear for IIT JAM, that is Joint Admission Test for MSc, where you can get admission in different IITs and ISC. But it is necessary to have mathematics in 10 plus 2 level. After MSc chemistry, you can appear for GATE. GATE stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. This exam is conducted for MTech admission in IIT Kanpur, Delhi, Kharagpur, Chennai, Bombay, Roorkee, and Varanasi, and also for PhD, where you can get financial assistance to pursue PhD. Some of the organizations like ONGC, IOCL recruit the candidate through GATE score. Now let us discuss about NET and SET examination. NET stands for National Eligibility Test. On behalf of UGC University Grant Commission, the NET is conducted in order to select candidate for the post of assistant professor in Indian university and colleges. Similarly, state also conduct same type of exam, that is GSET for Gujarat State eligibility test. Similarly for Maharashtra, MSET. The minimum qualification for all these exams like IIT JAM, GATE, NET, one must secure 55% in final year examination for general category and 50% for SC/ST category. Whereas CSR UGC NET is national level exam conducted by National Testing Agency on behalf of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, that is CSIR, to shortlist candidate for the award of Junior Research Fellowship or lecturership in Indian university and colleges. I would like to clarify that UGC and CSIR are both the educational bodies that conduct NET. CSIR is mainly for students who are from science stream, where UGC is for all the other field. Now let us discuss the job opportunity after BSc Chemistry and MSc Chemistry. Those who wants to go for a job, there is a ample opportunity for them. You can avail job in pharma industry, forensic science, oil, power and defense sector, paint industry, agrochemical, plastic industry, chemical industry, that is dyes and pigment industry, food industry, dairy industry, and marketing. You can also start your own entrepreneurship. India is a hub for pharma industry. Those who have completed MSc with organic, physical and analytical chemistry, they can get job in pharma industry, QA, QC department, R&D department, that is research and development, production as a production chemist and as a analytical chemist. After BSc chemistry and MSc chemistry, you can also get job in forensic science as a laboratory assistant, laboratory technician, scientific assistant and scientific officer. There is ample opportunity in oil, gas, power sector and defense services like ONGC, IOCL, NTPC and DRDO. For those who have completed their BSc and MSc chemistry in analytical, physical and organic chemistry. These are the recruitment highlights in various sectors like Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, IOCL, that is Indian Oil Corporation Limited, NTPC, that is National Thermal Power Corporation, DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization. Friends, if you want to have more detailed overview of each sector, you can pause the video and read the slides. You can also get job in TIFR, that is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, PRL, Physical Research Laboratory, BARC, that is Bhabha Atomic Research Center. You can get job in DFS, FCI, that is Food Corporation of India, GSFC, that is Gujarat State Fertilizer and Chemical Limited, and UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission. Let us discuss about the career in academics after BSc and MSc chemistry. Those who have done BSc B.Ed or MSc B.Ed and cleared TET or TAT, they can get job as Vidya Sahayapak in government school as well as in granted aid school for the fixed pay for 5 years. But those who have done MSc and clear NET, SET or PhD, they are entitled to get job in pure government science colleges as assistant professor through GPSC as well as Adhyapak Sahayapak in granted aid college through Commissioner of Higher Education. Thank you so much.